So I am about to do something I've never done in an RV, and you're gonna get to come along. Holla! So I have to go to Orlando for a business trip, and it's you know, about 4 hours from where I'm at right now. So rather than just drive it down in one day, which I could, I have decided that I'm going to do something and knock it off of my bucket list, and that is boondock. Yep, I'm going to surf the Cracker Barrel Cracker Barrel parking lot and stay down there overnight. I did everything that you're supposed to do. In every place that I saw online, it always said, call down, talk to the manager to make sure it's okay to stay overnight, and I did. So I made the call to the Cracker Barrel in Gainesville. They do have overnight RV parking. That's going to be my stop, and going to have dinner there, and obviously some breakfast in the morning before I head on out. So this is going to be an interesting situation. I've never boondocked. I don't know that's really like, you know, going to courtside or anything like that, but it's still pretty cool for me. Stop and getting a little gas. It's going to be a beautiful night on the road. Probably going to try and drive for about 2 hours. That's where the Cracker Barrel is, and pull in, grab something to eat, sleep, grab something in the morning, and finish on my way to Orlando. I am so beat, but I'm doing the etiquette thing and grabbing something to eat here. It's Cracker Barrel. Some of this stuff looks like it'd give me a heart attack, but I'm gonna probably check this place out in the morning for breakfast before I continue on. But right now, just gonna eat and then crash. The parking here at Cracker Barrel is nice. They have some RV spots right out in the back. The only problem is they're really tight, but for an overnight stay, I think it's gonna be fine. It's time now to get some sleep. I normally start my day at 3:40 in the morning. It's a little after 11, so I want to go crash. For my first overnight RV parking in a boondocking situation, Cracker Barrel, it would have been nice if I had remembered to make my bed before I closed everything up. Like, I changed the sheets and everything, but now the bed, nothing's on it, so I don't know how I'm gonna sleep yet. Waking up in the parking lot of Cracker Barrel turned out to be a pretty good first experience. I don't know if it's really boondocking or if it's just overnight parking, but it was pretty good. You know, there was some road noise, so it made it sound like it was kind of like the ocean, and even though the rigs were tight, there wasn't a lot of noise between the rigs. So now it's time for me to get up, grab some breakfast, and get back on the road. But overnight parking in a Cracker Barrel or Walmart, something like that, we can check this one off the list. Okay, going to get some breakfast at Cracker Barrel. It's a little loud right now, but they are doing some mowing around here. But for the most part, again, very clean. Last night, you may remember, there was a rig right next to me and an Airstream actually right next to me. On the other side, the Airstream's still here. The other rig left. I didn't even hear it leave this morning. So all in all, not a bad stop. Gainesville, Cracker Barrel. If you get a chance, stop there overnight. I think you'll enjoy it. All right, I'm hungry. Let's go do this. First cup of morning coffee is always good. It's not Waffle House, but it's still good. It's not the rig. That's coming up soon. but a lot busier today than it was yesterday. Still, need that car. Okay, this is not going to help my figure, but hey, it's one night or one morning on the road. Why not try? So my first ever overnight stay in a restaurant or parking lot, Cracker Barrel, turned out to be very good. Food was great as usual. The spot behind was nice, and you know, other than some road traffic which sounded like the ocean, everything turned out to be good. So I have to recommend this particular Cracker Barrel. I'll put a link down below. Make sure you check it out if you're ever coming through this area on I-75 South. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Getting out there and RVing, make sure you go out and have some fun. Hey, that's what it's all about.